All right, we got an Uncrustable today. And let me just take a bite. Wait, you got peanut butter and jelly in one? This is really beautiful, actually. I would say this is one of two reasons why I'd have a child, because then I could go to the store and say, oh, these Uncrustables, it's for my son. It's for my son. It's for my son. I buy 2 packs. One for daddy. It's me, the father. And then one for the son. And then when my pack is done, that's it. I'm not gonna eat my son. I'm not gonna eat my son's Uncrustable. That's why I buy 2 packs. Because I'm always worried I'm buying this, then they're cashing me out, then they're like, sir, do you have a son, or is this for you, a 34-year-old man? I'd say, no, I have a son. No, I'm a father. That's why I ordered this online, because and people were saying like, oh, they'll never ask that. Look where the world's going. Think about that. 9 out of 10.